If you want to share files with others, then there are multiple ways to do so. So let's say I want to share out this TutorTube logo right here with others. So to do that, I can right click and then I can click on share or get link. So let's start with get link right here. Once I click on get link, you can see that here it says it's restricted. I can go over here, change it to anyone with the link, and then what happens is that now anyone with the link, that is this link, you can copy and send it to others. They can view it. You can also change it into commenter, so they'll be able to, anyone with the link will be able to comment, and here anyone with the link will be able to edit it. So let's just set it to viewer right here, and I'm going to open up another browser where my second account is logged in. So over here, there's my second account, so I'm just going to paste out and go on to that link right here. I didn't set up any permission, but other user will be able to see it just like this, as you can see, as my second account is able to access after this link is entered. So now what I can also do is I can set certain permissions. So if you have this, so you're at a risk that anyone with the link can access. So even people who don't know you will be able to access this link. So let me just turn it to restricted right here. That means the link is no longer active right here, and I'm going to press done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and click on share. So on the share, you can see the get link option is the same. So you can change to anyone with the link is the same as the get link option. But over here on the top, you can add in certain people or group that you know who you want to share the file with. So I'm going to type in email address of my second account right here, just like this. And then I can choose the user right here. I can notify them as well. So I can see something like, hey, check this file out, just like this. And I can let them be an editor or a viewer. And then I'm going to choose viewer and maybe commenter, and then I'm going to hit send. So once I do that, what happens is that the person is added, and then they'll be notified in their email about the share file. So now for that, I'm going to bring in the second account right here. And I can see right here that the other account got an email address saying that my first account shared and shared a file. So I can simply click on this and click on open, and then it'll open up on a new tab. So I'll be able to comment this. I won't be able to edit this or delete this. I'll just be able to comment it. So I can go over here and say, this is nice. And I'm going to comment out, and then here there's a comment, as you can see. So now if I were to go on to my first account, access this out, this is the file that I shared, you can see that the comment is right here. They won't be able to edit, but they just will be able to comment. And you want to stop out the sharing, you can simply go around onto share and then remove the people. So you can see that this person is commenter. You can change around the permission, you can make owner, or you can remove them out entirely. You can also make them the owner instead of yourself. So I'm just going to remove this, and I'm going to press save right here. So the other person, so the tab is still open right here, but if they were to access it with the same link, then they get this. So they have to send you a request to access out that file. And those are the file sharing options that Google Drive provides. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.